मेरा नाम सुनील पाटिल है।
मेरा नाम नीलम है।
मैं यहाँ पे पिछले 4.5 साल से काम कर रहा हूँ।
मैं पॉलिस डिपार्टमेंट में काम करता हूँ।
1 फेब्रुवारी 2018 मध्ये मी सासत जॉईन केला.
Traditionally, the fine jewelry industry prioritizes profits over work practices and environmental policies. Craftspeople aren't often given the opportunity to work in a safe space, receive a fair wage, or be recognized for their talents. We wanted to break away from that behavior and build a brand with a clear conscience. Sasset has one purpose: to create beautiful, ethical fine jewelry that makes a meaningful impact. We create better jewelry in a better way by using lab-grown diamonds and recycled precious metals. While mining natural diamonds can be done responsibly, it can be challenging to trace a natural diamond back to its source and determine whether the workers have been treated fairly. That's why we work with the most advanced technologies and skilled scientists to grow our diamonds. They're physically, chemically, and visually identical to mined diamonds, but you can always be sure that they're sustainably produced, fairly priced, and conflict-free. Our skilled craftspeople make every piece to order using recycled metals from within the industry. With knowledge and skills that have been passed down through generations, our artisans melt pre-loved pieces and reclaim filings and dust from production waste. At Sasset, we understand the emotional significance fine jewelry can have and will help you create something that will be loved and worn forever. You can personalize every element of your design, from the precious metal to the perfect diamonds. Once you're completely happy and have placed your order, our team of craft people will begin hand-making your jewelry in our workshop. We designed the workshop to be a collaborative area where our team can work safely and cultivate their craft. Its clever construction features recreation rooms and makes the most of the area's green land and natural light. We used fly ash bricks made from industrial waste to save energy and emit less mercury in the atmosphere. Fitted solar panels help power the building. Our aim is to become 100% carbon neutral and set a new industry standard. When our craftspeople have finished making your jewelry, we place it in a keepsake box made from eco-friendly materials and send it directly to you in sturdy and secure eco-friendly packaging, as well as preserving traditional crafts. Your jewelry positively impacts our planet and people. We plant a tree for every purchase you make and give 10% of our profits back to the local community through charities that provide infrastructures, education, and skills development. We believe jewelry should bring happiness to you, to the person it's made for, to our expert craftspeople, and to their communities. Build the future of jewelry with us.